Hello, I'm gonna present you my poster project now. I hope you will like it. The problem of my project is how to make stronger buildings inspiring from a natural organism. Organism is a turtle. Inspiration is shell of turtle. Function is developing a very strong shell to stay safe. Integration is using turtle shell-like materials to build durable constructions against earthquake. According to the latest research conducted by Japanese scientists, the oldest turtles which have been found had no shells. Turtles have developed a very tough shell through their evolution process to protect themselves against outer attacks. The shell is so durable that even crocodile teeth or natural disasters cannot overcome it. Body composition of turtle shell was analyzed in the laboratory, and the elements have been stated as mainly calcium, phosphorus, copper, zinc, and iron. Imitating the turtle shell, we can produce the closest material and build stronger constructions against natural disasters such as earthquakes. Since the costs will be very high, we can make use of it as an alternative substance while strengthen weak buildings in urban transformation process. The reason why I chose this topic is I found it very useful. Why this method we can prevent the deaths, damages that is result of earthquakes and so many constructions too. Thank you for listening.